The Xiaomi Watch S4 aims for it all, betting on a complete renovation of its operating system, interesting new features, very complete training management, and an autonomy that many other models can only dream of. It includes details that in previous generations Xiaomi had left behind, as well as functions that, once and for all, differentiate the brand's watches from the most advanced wristbands. Autonomy is the key feature of the Xiaomi Watch S4. The watch is beautiful, very powerful, fully customizable, and has a plethora of functions, but one of the main reasons to buy this gadget is its battery life. Xiaomi leaves behind the idea of charging it every day. In fact, you can start thinking in terms of weeks with this smartwatch. The company advertises 15 days of autonomy, and while it's not possible to reach that if you train almost daily, the truth is that the figure is surprisingly close to that half-month. It's easy to go 10 days without remembering to charge it, and this is not something you can even think of with other such advanced watches. A large part of its impressive autonomy is due to the operating system. It has HyperOS 2.0, probably the same software as your Xiaomi Mobile. It's no coincidence, the company has launched a new version in this Watch S4 that allows you to have a complete control center for your smart devices on your wrist. Xiaomi Watch S4 is a good travel companion. The watch integrates perfectly with the Xiaomi Home app, allowing you to control almost any gadget in the Xiaomi catalog, all from your wrist. While HyperOS 2.0 for the Watch S4 is not perfect or as advanced as Wear OS, another of the great strengths of the Xiaomi Watch S4 is the training mode. The Chinese firm continues to back the already known 150 sports that we have seen in previous generations, which also have a specific algorithm of the brand to track them. The good news is that in this new watch, the level is higher. In addition to being able to monitor sports everywhere, the Watch S4 focuses its efforts on running. Not only does it offer spectacular precision on running technique, steps, cadence, length, stride height, or ground contact time, but it also has professional courses for all types of people. There are modes focused on fat loss, others on learning, and also some that are designed to improve a certain part of the running technique. All with very well explained steps and classes created by sports professionals. There is no doubt that this Xiaomi Watch S4 is one of the best options for athletes, specifically for those who run daily or want to start doing so. This generation has inherited one of the most interesting things from the previous one, the interchangeable bezel. This can be removed and put on at will, allowing you to modify the appearance of the watch with dozens of different options. Xiaomi has rings of many colors, shapes, and materials, which added to the change of straps means you can have a totally different device in AM.